Hi viewers, I'm here in Maryland today and I'm at the Isle of Wight Nature Park. If you're looking for a little peace and solitude near Ocean City, Maryland, this is the nature park for you. As you can see from the sky, we've got some stormy weather today. So this is giving this nature park a very dramatic look right now to see all the clouds rolling in. So the Isle of Wight is a passive nature park. You can launch a canoe or a kayak here. There's two different piers that look excellent for fishing or crabbing. There's also picnic tables and some porta potties as well. This is just a really nice spot to walk and take in the different views of the marsh. This pier extends pretty far out. I'm not going to go all the way down because there's a gentleman fishing there and I really don't want to disturb his fishing activities with my filming today. There's lots of beautiful grasses out here in the marsh swaying in the wind. If you look closely, there's lots of unique plants and berries and flowers. So we're just going to walk over to the second pier location in the park so I can give you a glimpse of what that looks like. So this is the second pier. The one thing I noticed is that there's a rock jetty that runs along the pier. And I think that can make it a little bit challenging if you're trying to fish here. You could get snags and that type of thing. So I would keep that in mind. The clouds here appear to be rolling in even worse, and I think we're due for some rain. But thank you so much for coming and checking out the Isle of Wight Nature Park. I think this is just a great spot if you're looking to take your family on a little nature walk, or if you want to fish or crab or kayak. Just get away from the crowds and enjoy somewhere quiet. Have a picnic here. It's a really great spot. Thanks for watching.